नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटीच्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. कितें युनिवर्सिटीची इलेक्शन्स जाली आनी कॉलेजीची इलेक्शन्स जाली आनी खंय तरी परत वातावरण तापलें आनी जशी एक बिटरनेस तुगेली जनरल इलेक्शना मदीं आसता तशीच खंय तरी बिटरनेस आमकां हांगा भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे यूथ विंग आनी काँग्रेसीचे NSUI हांचे मदीं कितें दिसून तरणाट्यां मदीं जेन्ना इलेक्शन जाता तेन्ना इतली बिटरनेस कित्याक येता आनी वस्तुस्थिती कितें आनी हे तरणाटे मुखार फुडल्या राजकारणा कडेन कशें पळयतात हाजेर आमी भासाभास करतात. 3 मानेस्त आसा म्हजे बरोबर. पयले आसात भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चाचे जनरल सेक्रेटरी मांगरीश गडकर, स्वागत तुमचें. दुसरे आसात म्हजे बरोबर NSUIचे अध्यक्ष हसिबा अमीन, तुमचें स्वागत. आनी तिसरे आसात म्हजे बरोबर सुनापरान्ताचे चीफ रिपोर्टर सोयरू वेळीप. आय विल स्टार्ट विथ यू. वाय आर यू एजिटेटेड? When you are in power, they were making the allegations. Now they are in power and you are making the allegations. So I practically feel that there is not much of a difference.
See, before I begin, I would first of all like to congratulate the BJP Yuva Morcha for having won the elections. And I think there was a lot of effort which was put in, right from the ministers to the MLAs to the Karyakartas to the youth wing. Everybody has put in a lot of effort, and congratulations to them for having taken it. What I would like to point out is that when we went in for elections, when we decided that we wanted a panel to contest, when we wanted NSUI to contest the elections, we had come here with a vision. We had a manifesto. There were a certain number of things that we wanted to fulfill for the student community, which unfortunately has not been happening over the past few years, which is why we came in for elections. But we reached a point somewhere in the elections where we saw this bitterness coming in, where we saw over-politicization of elections, where we saw that it wasn't a student election anymore. It had turned into something else altogether.
What is it, something else?
So, over-politicization, I'll say. And what we realized is, irrespective of which party is in ruling or which party wins or which party loses, the system gives way for such a thing to happen. Because the entire process of indirect elections that we have right now, it is making it feasible for such a thing to happen. So the best way to go against this was by going against the system altogether. So we had to protest against the system. The best way to protest against the system was to send out a loud message to boycott the elections altogether. And I think right now NSUI personally, we are of a view that the system needs to be changed somewhere, because this will continue. This has continued over the years, like you just mentioned. Irrespective of which party is in power, this has continued over the years, and this will continue over the years.
But strangely, you never had no objection about the system when your party was in power.
See, I personally have I got elected as the president in 2012. And ever since then, we've been fighting for getting open elections happen. And I think irrespective of party lines, if we go to see logically, let's keep everything else aside, let's see logically. If this year there were 68 people, UFRs who were elected, if there are 50 UFRs who are elected, which is generally around the usual number, luring 26 people in a state like Goa, which is such a small state, so well connected, luring 26 people or threatening 26 people or reaching their houses is not a big deal. So irrespective of which party is in power, the ruling or the
what did they do? They lured them or they threatened them?
Everything has been happening.
Everything has been happening. तागेले मेन मुद्दा ओव्हर पॉलिटिसायझेशन, खंय तरी तुमची सत्तेचो गैरवापर केलो आनी एक सिस्टम अशी आसा की पावरां आशिल्ले पार्टीक ती मॅन्युपुलेट करप सोपी जाता. आनी गोंया सारके राज्या भितर 26 UFRाक मॅन्युपुलेट करप, तांकां भिश्टावप, तांकां भंय घालप किंवा तांकां हायस दाखोवप इज नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग. आनी अशें करून तुमी इलेक्शन जिखल्या.
पयलीं म्हणजे कांयशे फिगर दिता. आमी 192 सुमार UCR दवरले गोंयभर. तातूंतले आमचे 90% UCR जिखले. 79 UCR आमचे वॅलीड जाले, पयलीं जिखून आयले. आनी तातूंतले 68 वॅलीड जाले. तातूंतले 5 अशे नॉन पॉलिटिकल आशिल्ले आनी 3 काँग्रेसी कडेन गेले. तातूंतलो एक तो मयूर भोलेकर कोण म्हणटा पळय, तो तांचे बरोबर थंय बशिल्लो. तो आमच्या हातूंतलो. जाय जाल्यार आमचे जे फॉर्मॅट आसा पळय ते ताजे अजून पर्यंत चॅक करता जाल्यार तुमकां कळटलें. सेकंड म्हणजे काँग्रेसीक एक वायट संवय आसा की जेन्ना तांकां कळटा आमी जिखना तेन्ना ते मागीर बॅक स्टेप करता. आमी इलेक्शनाक वचत ना न्ही. अरे इलेक्शनाक कोण मनीस वता? ज्या मनशा कडेन बाबा कितें तरी व्हील आसता, कितें मनशा कडेन बॅकींग आसता. आतां तांचे कडेन 20 सुद्दां आशिल्ले न्ही जाल्यार हांव मानतालो बाबा तांच्यांनी बॅक केलें, तांच्यांनी बॉयकॉट केलें इलेक्शन. ज्या मनशां कडेन 3 आनी 10 सुद्दां ना, ज्या मनशां कडेन प्रपोजल घालपी सेकंडर घालपी ना, ते मनीस कशें म्हणू शकता? आनी मिडियान हो हायप खूब करून दवरलो की हां काँग्रेसीन बॅक केलें. आमी जिखले ते सायडलायन खंय तरी केले आनी काँग्रेसीन खंय तरी इलेक्शन कंडम केलें म्हणून खंय तरी चड जालो. हें सामकें रॉंग. कित्याक काँग्रेसी कडेन जर आज तुमी जर मुद्दाम युनिवर्सिटीन तुमी आज घाला, युनिवर्सिटीन जर तुमी फिगर घालचे जाल्यार काँग्रेसी कडेन कितले आसात हें तुमकांच कळटलें आनी लोकांकूय कळटलें.
तुमचें म्हणटकीर तांचे कडेन सेकंडर सुद्दां नाशिल्लो.
सेकंडरी खंयचो तांच्याकडे ते केन्ना सरल्या भितर तुका सांगता काँग्रेस युसीआर इलेक्शनाक युसीआर जातकीच भितर सरल्या आमी आमचे लोक दवरपाक भितर सरले युसीआर म्हणून भितर सरले आणि तांच्याकडे युसीआर जेन्ना तांकां कळ्ळें आमचे युसीआर गोंयभर झप 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 करून सगळे कडेन पॉलिटिकल प्रेशराचो प्रश्नच ना आमचो जर एक मनीस जर घेवन भोंवता आनी सगळे कडेन दवरता जाल्यार ताका पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर म्हणून आमी केन्ना कोणाक बीजेपी म्हणून सांगला आमच्या मनशाक दवरलो सगळे जर बीजेपी उबे रावले जाल्यार ऑब्वियसली बीजेपी जातात न्ही तातूंत पॉलिटिक्सायझेशन आनी खंय उरलें सगळेच मनीस जर बीजेपी आले सगळेच मनीस जर काँग्रेस
तुमचें म्हणणें कितें तांगे बॉयकॉट करप हो एक स्टंट आशिल्लो
सारको स्टंट म्हणजे कितें हारता ते पळोवन स्टंट न्ही आनी मिडियान तो हायप करून दवरलो गरजूच नाशिल्ली काँग्रेस लुजीस बॅडली हे हेडलायन आसूंक जाय आशिल्ली काँग्रेस बॉयकॉट्स ही हेडलायन आसूंक जाय नाशिल्ली तांकां
ते पळयता आनी सुरवात मिडिया वयल्यान केल्या हांव ताजे मरे वता परत आय टेक हर आर्ग्युमेंट्स बट सुरवात हें केला की काँग्रेसी कडेन नंबर्सूच नाशिल्ले तेन्ना हरता ते पळोवन ते फाटीं सरले आनी अशी परिस्थिती भितर मिडिया खंय तरी काँग्रेसीन बॅकआउट केलें म्हणटा किंवा बॉयकॉट केलें म्हणटा जंय हेडलायन आसपाक आशिल्ली की आमी जिखले आनी ते हरले न्ही वॉट इज युअर व्यू एज अ मिडिया पर्सन
तेच अजाप दिसता म्हाका काँग्रेसी इतले ना बीजेपीचे इतले आसा आतां गो युनिवर्सिटी इज अ एकेडमीक इन्स्टिट्यूशन ते राजकीय जे हें आसा पळय आमी हें लायता निकश लायता किंवा पॉलिटिकल पार्टी एफिलिएशन ती कित्याक म्हाका कळना हेंच लॉजीक कळना म्हाका म्हणून पॉलिटिकल एफिलिएशन आनी पॉलिटिकल डायरेक्ट जरी इन्वॉल्वमेंट नासलो तरी खंय तरी हे बीजेपीचे कॅन्डिडेट हे काँग्रेसी कॅन्डिडेट अशें जाल्ल्या कारणान हे सगळे प्रकार घडटा कळ्ळें न्हू आतां मंगेशान म्हणलें की मिडियान अशी हेडलायन दिवपाची मिडियान कितें करपाचें मिडिया जाणा बट जाता कित्याक भानगड आतां जेन्ना अजिबान म्हणलें की ओवर पॉलिटिशियन जाय जावपाक लागला इलेक्शनाक जातलेंच न्ही तुमी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचे
कॅन्डिडेट
घालता तेन्ना डेफिनेटली जातलें न्हू पूण म्हजें स्पश्ट मत आसा की खंयचें युनिवर्सिटी इलेक्शन जें आसा पळय ती स्टुडंट कावन्सिला खातीर आसता आनी थंय कसले तरेचे पॉलिटिकल एफिलिएशन दिवपाकच जायना हें म्हजें मत कारण आसा तेका हें जाल्ल्या कारणान खुबश्यो बाकीच्यो गजाली आतां परत म्हणलें की कांय जाणांक धमकी दिवपाची जाता अशें जाता म्हणून ह्यो गजाली जावप स्वाभावीक येतल्योच हे जावप स्वाभावीक म्हणून आनी एक गजाल आसा जेन्ना तूं पॉलिटिकली वयता आतां बीजेपी इज इन पावर काँग्रेस ओपोजिशन आसा फाल्यां बीजेपीन कांय हांव म्हणना की कांय बरी गजाली करीत ते पूण जेन्ना तो ओपोजिशन आसलो ताका ते सदांच नेगेटीव चिंतल्यो वन सायडी चिंतलो आनी तो चिंतना रुलींग आसा ती पार्टी सदांच चिंतता की म्हजी कार्यकर्ता पयलीं सपोर्ट करया एक दीस इज मेंटलिटी आनी हांगाच्यान तयार जाता पयलीं सो हेंच
सो पॉलिटिकल बिटरनेस एटलिस्ट युनिवर्सिटी सारखे जाग्या वयल्यान तयार जावपाक
जायना सामकें हें दुर्दैव आमचें कारण एकेडेमीक इन्स्टिट्यूशन म्हणटा आमी आनी हे कित्या खातीर करता हे कावन्सील इलेक्शन सुद्दां फुडें एक आमी लिडरशीप तयार जावचें म्हणून पण जातना आतां एकच आयडियोलॉजी किंवा एकच बाजून ते चिंतून जाले जाल्यार म्हाका सांग
यूथ लिडरशीप ऑल्सो शुड बी प्रिपेर्ड टू थिंक इन अ बॅलन्स्ड वे इन अ न्यूट्रल वे
सोसायटीचे जे प्रॉब्लेम जे आसा पळय समाजाचे प्रॉब्लेम आसा ते खूब अशें चिंततले एकच सायडी चिंततले न्हू म्हणून म्हणटा की पॉलिटिकल एफिलिएशन एंटर जावपाक दिवपाक जायना पॉलिटिकल बॅनरूच नाका
युनिवर्सिटीक पॉलिटिकल बॅनरूच नाका ओके आय कम ऑन दीस बट फर्स्ट your counter arguments. He has practically demolished all your arguments and he is saying that you did not even have three, you did not even have seconder, and what are you saying that you are boycotting it?
See, it's very easy to say that we were in the elections from the very beginning when you have no proof to prove that. I know for a fact, we know for a fact that for the past 3-4 months that students from inside colleges have been working. Now, he said that I think NSUI is of the opinion at least that students themselves who have the leadership qualities should come forward, who want to contest the election should come forward, and they should, then they should decide who they want to support based on the manifestos and based on, the agendas of both the parties or whatever it is. That's how it is supposed to be. It is not supposed to be that you infiltrate from the very beginning like that. That is what is politicization of the system.
His main argument is you projected it as a boycott when you did
I'm
not even have numbers to boycott.
I'm coming to that, yeah. So, I think I'll just ask one question. If they claim to have all the URs, which is 68 URs, why is it that when they won the elections and they had a picture with the Chief Minister, there were only 28 standing there?
You want to reply?
Should have been more. I have the picture on my phone if you would like to see it.
आमच्याकडे कितले युआर आसा आनी कितले फोटोवार उबे रावले तांच्यापेक्षा हांवें म्हजे फिगर दिले तशें ताणें फिगर दिवचे न्ही ताणें सांगचें आमच्याकडे 15 युआर आसा 20 युआर हांव मानून घेता हांगा सांगचें आतां
We had 33 URs.
जालें 33 युआर आशिल्ले खंय
And you all are 28 standing in the photo. And this 33 and this I'll tell you numbers. And from this 33 URs, it came down to 33 because we had a total of much higher. But then just before the nomination day, again I'll tell you what happened then. the director of students welfare went missing on the day when the college forms were supposed to come in. That was the 19th. Till 12 o'clock the college forms are supposed to come in. There is it was really absurd. There was MLA's son, or minister's son rather, who came in with a number of college forms. I don't know how that happens, because it's supposed to be the college officials coming in with the forms, right? Now at 12 o'clock, till 12 o'clock, I was personally there along with a few other students, and there is no director of students welfare. So if you're talking of a democratic setup, if you're talking of an election system and not a nomination system, there has to be a transparency. When they say tomorrow that these many colleges have come late, we should know for a fact that they've actually come late. If they say form F is missing, we should be able to see that form F is missing. But when we go there, there are 2 peons who are sitting there, and they say we are not authorized to show it. We call the DSW on the phone. We had his personal number. He says I'm out of station, and there is no additional charge given to anybody. How is this happening? How is this possible?
बेसिकली ताका म्हणपाचो मुद्दो कितें की हे सगळें तुम्ही घडोवन हाडला, तुम्ही सत्तेचो गैरवापर केला आणि तातूंतल्यान हे सगळें तयार केला.
डायरेक्टर ऑफ स्टुडंट
वेलफेअर
जेन्ना नासता न्ही तेन्ना रजिस्ट्रार हो ऑथॉरिटी असता. हे तांकां खबर ना जाल्यार हांव तांकां आतां कळोवन दिता. तांच्या रजिस्ट्रारा कडेन वचपाचें. डायरेक्टर तो स्पोर्ट्साचो डायरेक्टर आसा, तो आनी खंय गेलो आसतलो तें आमकां लागना. आनी हाज्या पयलीं तुवें इलेक्शनां भरपूर पयलें आनी आमी इलेक्शनां भरपूर पयलें. काँग्रेसीन पॉलिटिकल पावर कितले पर्यंत वापरला न्ही आनी कितले बरें वापरलें प्रेस आनी मिडियाक चड बऱ्या भशेन खबर आसा. ताणें आमकां एक्सप्लेनेशन दिवपाची गरज ना. आमच्या हांगा फॉर्मात जाल्ली 5 मिनटांनी हांगा आमचे कडेन मनीस आसा समीर मांद्रेकर, जेन्ना चेअरपर्सन जालो तेन्ना 24-0 तो जाल्लो. ताजे फॉर्म भायर उडयले आनी ताका 5 मिनटां भितर जाले दीस इलेक्शन स्टँड नल एंड वॉइड म्हणून. अशें कित्याक जालें तेन्ना पॉलिटिकल पावर? आमी पॉलिटिकल पावर वापरलो म्हणून तांच्यांनी सांगचे इतली वर्सां तांच्यांनी कितें केलें तें. हांव चॅलेंज मारता.
तुम्ही कितें म्हणटा? ताणी वापरलो म्हणून तुम्ही वापरता?
आमी पॉलिटिकल वापरपाचो प्रश्नच ना. आमचे कडेन जेन्ना एक मनीस येता, आपूण बाबा खंय तरी लिडर जावंक सोदता, आपूण तुमच्या इलेक्शनाक उबे रावंक सोदता, अशें जेन्ना भुरगे फुडें येतात तेन्ना तांकां फुडें काडपाचें पार्टी आनी हे म्हणून आमचो साहजीक आसा ते आमचे. नाल्यार देशान लिडर कशे तयार जातले? हे काँग्रेसीन 3री आनी 4थी पास जाल्ले लिडर जे आसा ते पळोवच्या पेक्षा आज कॉलेजीन
युनिव्हर्सिटींतल्यान पास जाल्ले लिडर पळोवप चड बरें. सोयरू
आता तेमी काँग्रेसीन NSUन बॉयकॉट केले, बीजेपी युवा मोर्चाचे जिखले, वो विषय तितल्या पुरतो बरो आसा. पूण वॉट अबाउट द जे भुरग्यां खातीर जे स्टुडंटान जे काम करपाक जे कावन्सिलान ते मुद्दे खंय आसा? म्हाका ते खंय दिश्टी पडना. फाटल्या 2-3 वर्सांक अशें जाल्लें इलेक्शन 2-3 फावटी कॅन्सल जालें. कारण कितें?
हे बरोबर की इन दिस होल बार्गेन ऑफ प्लेइंग पॉलिटिकल गेम्स अल्टिमेटली द वेलफेअर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स गेट्स इग्नोर्ड and gets affected with either of the party, with both the parties.
See,
don't say when your party was in power, you were taking care of it.
I think I would like to. I completely agree with him. I'm being a student myself. I think student welfare is being ignored somewhere, and I think somewhere down the line, honestly, students themselves. I mean, the councils claim whenever they win, they claim that we have the support of all the students. That's why we won today. But I think more than 75% of the genuine students inside colleges don't even know what's happening. Don't even know who their representatives are. Tomorrow, when they have a genuine issue, a genuine student issue, they don't even know whom to go up to. They don't know who will represent them and how that will happen, because the empowerment is falling short somewhere. Now, once again coming to the whole whether NSUI has been working or not. See, I also want to point out that for us, winning or not winning, I don't know about how it was in the past, but I'm telling from here, winning or not winning is not a matter of prestige anymore. We genuinely, I can show you the manifesto we had. I want to know whether they had an agenda. We had a manifesto prepared, we had an agenda, we had a number of points we wanted to do, we really wanted to do it. And I will also like to mention that last year, although there was, I think, Gaurang, who was the chairman, I didn't see much work that was done by the Students' Council. In fact, there were times during admissions, there were other times when there were students coming up to us as NSUI and asking us to help them out. And we have genuinely had students a number of times. There was a counseling cells thing that was done.
I'll just take
and this was from the outside.
Mangesh, 2 मुद्दे आहेत. पहिले म्हळ्यार ह्या सगळ्या राजकारणांत एज अ स्टुडंट, नॉट एज भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा, और नॉट एज अ सामकी पॉलिटिकल अफिलिएटेड पर्सन, खंय तरी ह्या सगळे तुमचे झगड्या भितर स्टुडंट्स वेलफेअर म्हणटा ते सेकंडरी जावन पडटा आनी जिकप, नंबर्स आणि इगोज, प्रेस्टीज ह्यो गजाली प्रायमरी जावन पडटात. मागीर खंयची पार्टी आसूं